traders, we're looking at gold. I've just marked up this chart. Let's just go out to a daily and I'll show you what I've got. I've gone with this swing here, and you'll notice this on the weekly time frame. It's a very clean price swing on the weekly. What I've done is I've pulled a Fibonacci from the low to the high, and I'm looking at this 50% level, looking at this from the point of view of this price swing. We are trading in a premium at the moment, and the 50% being halfway is the threshold in terms of this is bullish, but if big players are looking for a discounted entry, then it's going to be down around the 50 to the 618 below this 50% threshold. So I'm looking at possibility that we see this pullback retrace down through. Now on the daily, we can see clearly these imbalances, but if we go back to the 4 hour, I'll just show you what I've marked up here. So we've got this green thin candle, okay, nothing left and right of it to here and here. So a bullish imbalance. Now the market could look to trade through here, looking to rebalance. So this is definitely a point of interest. And we also have the same thing with this thin green candle here, where it traded off with a vengeance. So the possibility that this looks to rebalance heading into the 50% of that price swing is feasible. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but I'm entertaining the idea, that's for sure. I'll be looking for an entry point long, but not at this level. I want to see, look, if it trades back down in here and we see it ranging in here, I would be then looking for a break and retest for a buy. Okay, that would be my plan of action with gold at the moment. If it doesn't trade back down in here, quite happy to let this go. So let's just see what we get. So that's my take on gold. There is another way to navigate this, and I've just done a video. I've just uploaded it to YouTube on how to get involved with this on the lower time frame. Okay, guys, with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.